Okay guys, so I figured out the neck thing. Um, Basically what was happening was there was a little bit on the end of this right here, and I shaved it down with a belt sander, and I stuck the neck back in, and I found out that it was actually on the polar opposite side of where I wanted it to be. So then I took it to the belt sander again, shaved down this part instead of shaving down this part, so it became a little bit more even. Stuck the neck in just like so, and I have this little paper thing in there. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it in or take it out. We'll see. And I checked the bridge and everything was fine. Then I sanded this 400 grit sandpaper. I'm going to sand it again with some higher grit sandpaper once I get some. But yeah, everything's fine. I just need to level the frets once this is on and everything. But that'll be coming way later in the project. Right now, I'm just gotta worry about sanding everything down. And yep, there's the paper shim. Um, in order to get those bridge post thingies out, you just put them in with a hammer, one of those rubber mallets. And then, in order to get them out, you just use one of these. You grab onto the end, pull, and they come right out. So, if anybody was wondering about that, there's that. Um, yeah, it's pretty much sanding from here. So, see you guys after the sanding's done. Bye.